Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to collage two photos in Instagram story. So for the first, open Instagram. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. First of all, create a story. Click onto your story option. Select an image. And then click onto sticker option. And then click onto photo option. And here you can easily add another image. Or if you add more, and then click on to share. So that's how you can easily collage two photos in Instagram story. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.